So now we are almost done, and right now I'm just putting the final touches, the finishing touches to brackets and odds and ends. So the three things I'd like to get done here. One, this bracket that I was talking about goes up here like this, yeah. Holds the wiring harness in place, and also this, there was a point I mentioned up here that just felt a little loose, so goes in here as well. I'll zoom in a little closer to that. I have the AC compressor bracket that goes in there. I'll focus on it as well. Lastly, this right here, this is for the other end of the alternator, so I'm going to mount that as well. So right now let's zoom into these different places and get going. This is a 14 millimeters. $12mm. I had just installed them with spaces so that I would remember where things went. I have an odd situation. Let's start on the pulley. Well, damn. Okay. Then something smaller. Will it work? Not really, still tight. Okay, I'll just do it by hand, it's okay. Still looks okay. Oh man, what's going on? Okay, here they are. install that. I hope you could see that. I hope my knee didn't end up blocking it all the way. But where is it? It's right here. Can you even see that? So I'm not fully done with it yet. Right now I might put this just to show. That's what happens. But I'll be taking it off because, as I mentioned earlier, I need this place to be loose as I gain access to the back side of the alternator. So that's gonna look like that. I was spinning the pulley to make sure I did not end up bending anything with my antics. The pulley looks to be a little funky, honestly. Looks like it's got just a little bit of a wobble. To a level I'm not concerned about, but we'll keep an eye on it. Okay? To make sure it actually goes in normally. Okay, so it works that way. Now I can try this again. Yeah, that's going to be an interesting fight when it comes to final installation of the car, I guess. There you go. This needs to be jiggled and wiggled and all that, but that's what it's going to look like in the car. Finally, let's get to this part. If you remember, I had mentioned that these 12s up here needed something. This one here, I'll break it loose as well. Not all the way out though, just loose. This one here, I'll take it all the way out. Can't see anything, can you? Okay, so this one came from here, took it all the way out. I am going to install this. As you can see, this one has a cutout. Slip it in there. Then this will find its hole. Got it. This one here holds the overflow tube for the coolant as it comes from the back this way. But let me bolt this down. And that should be it for finishing touches. The engine is pretty much ready to be installed at this point. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to move all that noise from there, all these things in the way, the unnecessary things, get them to, well, that's why I removed the whole car from this side. And once that's out of the way, we'll slide it back into the engine bay, and then we'll get ready to start fastening things down. Alright, cool.